Today we are doing pub style halibut. You can get this at Costco. It's running about 20 bucks. It's 2 pounds worth. You get about 15 fillets in there. I'll show you what they look like. There's the bag. You can see size-wise, they're not huge. Keep frozen until ready, which is nice. You don't have to thaw them out. And cooking instructions. We're gonna actually cook it in our air fryer. Better for you, and I like how it cooks. It makes it nice and crisp. But the instructions are 425 for 20 minutes. So I've heated that up, and it's ready to go right now. Put it up pretty close to the cooker. That'll count down and let me know. You got 5 grams of fat, 9 grams of carbs, and 12 grams of protein. I like that. So, this is pub style halibut, fish and chips. We're gonna cook it also with, I'm gonna throw some of these in right now too, some tater tots. Okay, see you in 20 minutes. We're about halfway through. Come on, let's check this out. Now, this is just a tip, because we cook with our air fryer a lot. Again, I put it really close to that top coil just because I wanted it to get, nice and crisp faster. So let's see how we're looking. Oh, feels like we're doing good. It's crispy. Yep, see, softer on that one side. So again, I'm flipping them so that heating coil at the top blasts the other side too. I imagine that it's probably going to cook a little bit longer. I did it for 21 minutes, so we'll see if that's long enough. And the end. I'm going to keep it going though because I got tater tots in there, but let's check that out. Oh yeah, they seem okay. I think those are actually probably perfect. I'll pull those out. But time-wise, as far as cooking, so far texture on the outside seems perfect. Let's cut into it. And on the inside, I did it for 22 minutes and I flipped it halfway through. Okay, let's taste this. Well, I won't dip it yet, but hey, go figure, it tastes like halibut. Has a little bit of the fishy taste to it, a little bit, it is fish. It's not a strong fishy taste. The batter on the outside, nice and crisp. It's a little bit fishier than I maybe would like. I've got my hot, sexy, beautiful wife here, who when we go out to dinner, she always gets fish and chips, loves it. And she's acting like she's nervous to eat this. I don't know why, because this is what she orders.
It's all right.
Okay, yeah, well.
I like the fish sticks better.
The actual fish sticks. Mm-hmm. Well, those are made out of cod, so this is a halibut.
No,
you'll eat it for dinner?
I'm liking it.
Oh.
No, I'm liking it better. Not after more I'm eating it.
So you're liking it as you move on. Or do you like the fish?
You were saying it's fishy.
Or do you like the tartar sauce?
That's some good tartar sauce.
Yeah, you're a tartar sauce girl too. Mm-hmm. That's good tartar sauce though, huh? Mm-hmm. That helps a lot, huh?
Well, I think it's good.
Again, for the price, I'm gonna say it's all right. The taste, I'm gonna give it average. I was thinking it actually would taste a little bit better, but it's not gonna break my heart because I got my good old tartar sauce here, which I absolutely love, so it'll work. But anyways, thanks for watching Chef Dawg. Remember to like, share, all those other things that make our channel grow, and have a good one. Bye-bye.